Hi guys, welcome to HairNet TV. Today I'm going to be doing a French braid on my hair model. So you're going to take 3 even pieces and you're going to kind of smooth them out. This is a 3-strand braid, so it just lays on top. You're going to cross each strand to get your braid going. Make it tight. You're going to grab another piece of hair, making sure everything is smooth. You want a nice, smooth piece. It just makes the braid look really neat and clean. Grab another piece from the other side, right over top of that. Right over top of that piece. So everything is laying in your fingers. 3-strand braid. So you're gonna cross that over, grab another piece, add it to the piece you crossed over, smooth it out. Make sure you get your little flyaways. Cross that piece on your left side over, grab another piece, you're gonna add it to the left side. So you're just grabbing pieces as you go. So you're gonna cross that on the right side, 3-strand braid, right on top, smooth out that chunk. And you're gonna cross it over, making sure everything is tight. Nice and tight, nice straight braid. It's like sewing, so you're adding a stitch in, add more hair to that stitch. Make sure everything is straight. And you're gonna cross it over. Everything gets crossed over right on top of each other, 3-strand braid. You're only gonna have 3 strands of hair in your fingers. So you're gonna cross that over. Make sure you pull it tight. Once you get going on your French braiding, you're going to be able to see where you need to tighten up areas. I see a piece up above there where it needs to be a little bit tighter. But for viewing purposes and learning purposes, this is a good way to show you, good view. So you're going to cross that over again, making sure everything is nice and straight. Keep all of the strands out of your way. Cross it over. So you're getting toward the end of the braid here. So everything is going to maintain that 3-strand braid, that pattern. So you're going to cross over, grab more hair, cross over, make sure everything stays nice and tight. And then this is just a 3-strand braid all the way down to the end. Making sure everything is nice and tight. You're just going to tie it off with an elastic here. And then usually what I like to do when I'm done tightening is I just like to smooth everything out. I'm going to work on that one little piece that I didn't get as tight as I wanted. And I'm just going to kind of pull things around. The main thing is to have that braid straight. So I'm just kind of pulling out hairs now, little tendrils, making sure everything is kind of where I want it. She has very voluminous hair, so it's easy to keep the front look of it nice and full of body. So just smoothing out that braid, and here's the finished product. She was happy with it, and so was I. Turned out really good. She had never had her hair braided before, so this was a nice treat for her. And she was a great model, so, you know, it made it easy. Anyway, thanks for watching.